Are you considering building your family through adoption? Adoption is a wonderful way to provide a loving home to a child in need. But the journey can be complex and overwhelming. That's where we come in. An adoption lawyer specializes in the legal aspects of adoption. We provide expert guidance on the different types of adoption, such as domestic, international, private, and foster care adoption. Our goal is to help you understand the legal requirements and procedures for each type. Adoption involves a significant amount of paperwork. Your lawyer ensures that all documents are correctly completed and submitted on time, including background checks, home studies, and consent forms from biological parents. In court, your adoption lawyer will represent you, preparing legal arguments, presenting evidence, and advocating for the adoption to be granted by the judge. If your adoption involves another state or country, your lawyer ensures compliance with interstate and international laws, including the Interstate Compact on the placement of children and the Hague Convention. Even after the adoption is finalized, your lawyer provides ongoing support, assisting with birth certificate amendments and addressing any legal issues that may arise. Understanding the specific requirements in Houston, Texas is essential. Here's an overview of the typical steps involved in the adoption process. The first step is an initial consultation to discuss your goals and preferences. We'll explain the different types of adoption and help you choose the best option for your situation. A home study is a mandatory part of the adoption process. It involves an assessment of your home environment, background checks, and interviews to ensure a safe and stable home for the child. Once the home study is completed, your lawyer files a petition for adoption with the court, including all necessary documentation and background information. For the adoption to proceed, the biological parents must consent. If the biological parents are unknown or unfit, your lawyer will handle the termination of parental rights. The court will schedule a hearing to review the adoption petition. Your lawyer will represent you, presenting evidence and arguments to support the adoption. If the judge approves the adoption, a finalization hearing is held. The judge signs the adoption decree, legally establishing your rights and responsibilities as adoptive parents. Hiring an adoption attorney offers numerous benefits, ensuring a smoother and less stressful adoption process. Adoption lawyers possess extensive knowledge of adoption laws and procedures, ensuring compliance with all legal requirements. They handle the paperwork and legal formalities, reducing delays and errors. They advocate for the best interests of the adoptive parents and the child, ensuring a fair and just outcome. And most importantly, they provide peace of mind, allowing you to focus on preparing for your new family member. If you are considering adopting a child in Houston, let Daniel Ogbeide Law guide you through this wonderful journey. Schedule a free consultation with us today. Visit www.expertsinfamilylaw.com